Have you ever seen a Karen push her luck and instantly regret it? In this episode, we bring you 3 unforgettable moments where entitled attitudes meet swift justice. Here is 3 of Karen's situations you have ever seen. From traffic stops to public meltdowns, these Karens quickly learn that the law doesn't bend for anyone. On Thanksgiving Day 2022, a woman named Ashley was pulled over by police for driving recklessly near a crowded event. Instead of cooperating, she fled the scene twice, driving dangerously through intersections and narrowly avoiding pedestrians. Her reckless behavior continued as she sped away, endangering others on the road. Officers eventually caught up to her and ordered her to stop, but Ashley was defiant, refusing to comply.
Shut the car off, man. Shut the car off.
It's freaking Thanksgiving. I just got a divorce. My fucking daughter's not with me.
Can you step out the car, please?
What in the is this? I'm trying to get home.
Step out the car, please, man.
Yes, sir. What? No. What are you doing? Are you kidding me?
Can somebody come get your car for you?
No, I don't have anybody. You guys, please don't. I just got a divorce. I'm trying to move. Please don't do this. What are you doing? I'm just trying to go to the gas station. How come she's allowed out? Ah! Like, why are you letting her through and I can't get through?
You realize what you did, though?
I'm trying to get to my neighborhood. Seriously, guys. I just got a divorce from the most evil man ever. I'm moving in like 2 days. I need to get off this island. Please. I'm sorry. I just
killed one of these people running, you know that?
No, I did not.
Throughout the encounter, Ashley repeatedly mentioned her wealth, boasting about living in a $3 million house as a reason she should be treated differently. She seemed to believe her status and privilege would get her out of trouble. She grew increasingly emotional, expressing anger about her recent divorce, financial difficulties, and losing custody of her daughter. She blamed these personal struggles for her reckless driving, claiming she was just trying to get home.
Ah! Are you taking me all the way to jail? Can we just get this over with because I'm going to lose my daughter today? I haven't seen her in 3 weeks and I'm supposed to see her this morning.
Stop.
I think so.
What's your first name?
Ashley in Auto Groups, who I just divorced. Ashley! With 2 E's. Can I get out of here?
Stop screaming.
Can I stand up? I'm having an anxiety attack.
Making a scene.
I am making a scene. This is my neighborhood. I'm a Snell Isle resident. I live in a $3 million house with these assholes. No, you did
Get
not.
back in the car now. Back in the car. Get back in the car.
Let me out.
Spray. Can you spray? Ma'am, stop that. Ma'am? You're gonna get sprayed again.
Stop! This is inhumane, dude. Can I get out of here? Can I please call my little one's dad or somebody? Why am I being treated like a piece of shit?
As the situation escalated, Ashley made several offensive and racially insensitive comments, comparing her treatment to that of a black kid on a bike in the wrong neighborhood. She also insulted the officers, calling them names and questioning their salaries. Her aggressive behavior worsened when she began banging her head against the window and kicking inside the police car, forcing the officers to pepper spray her multiple times to prevent further harm.
You know I'm a Snell Isle resident?
Yeah, you're embarrassing yourself. Stop.
No, I'm not embarrassing myself. I'm a fucking mom on Snell Isle, and you guys fucking arrested me, pepper sprayed me 3 times. Do you want to see my boobs too? What are you guys doing?
Female officer.
Weirdos. No.
Ultimately, Ashley was charged with several serious crimes, including fleeing from police, hit and run, reckless driving, and obstruction of justice. Her actions violated Florida's law against fleeing or attempting to elude a law enforcement officer, Florida Statute 316.1935, which makes it illegal to flee from police with disregard for the safety of others. The case is still ongoing and is expected to go to trial. On April 12, 2023, police officers stopped a woman after running her license plate and discovering that her vehicle registration was suspended. When the officers approached the car, the woman insisted that her license wasn't suspended and that she had recently sent a payment to resolve the issue. Despite this, the officers explained they needed to see her driver's license and proof of insurance.
Stay in the car.
What are you putting me up for?
It shows you're suspended.
I'm not
that's why.
suspended. I just sent out a check. I'm not.
Okay, let me see your driver's license. Let me see
It's
your driver's
nothing to
license.
see, bro. It's nothing to see.
Let me see your
I'm about to
driver's
call my
license.
case manager because I just sent out that f***ing
Your driver's license and proof of insurance.
Really have a whole
Do you have your
fucking
driver's license and proof
Yes,
of
I do,
insurance?
but you just pulled
May
me
I
over.
see
What was
it?
your reason for pulling me over?
You failed the signal go around the truck and
No, I
it showed you're
didn't. No, I
suspended.
didn't. You just lied. Watch out.
No,
What are you
not watch
doing? What are you doing? I'm closing my
conducting
door.
a traffic stop.
Okay, but you didn't know, bro. Watch out. Let me close my door.
No, you're not closing.
Let me close my door. You're doing.
Do you have your driver's license, yes
What do
or
you
no?
need my driver's license for?
I'm conducting a traffic stop. That's why. I need to
Well, shut the
identify
door.
who you are. What's your name then? Since you don't have your driver's license.
Who told you I didn't have my driver's license? You just
You
can't.
haven't produced it.
I don't have to produce you with anything
Yes,
at the
you
moment.
do.
No, I don't. I pulled him over to get gas. Out of my face.
This is a traffic stop.
I don't care what it
You're required
is.
by
I don't
state law
care.
to
I don't
identify
care.
yourself to me. Understand
I
that?
don't care.
The situation quickly became tense when the woman refused to provide the required documents. Instead, she argued with the officers, stating that she didn't have to show them her identification. She also began making phone calls to her case manager, rather than cooperating. As the officers pressed for her to comply, she continued to resist, claiming she was just stopping to get gas.
Step
Bro, I'm
out
trying to call my
of
case
the
manager.
car.
Why are you grabbing me? Bro, watch out. Why are you
Step
grabbing
out.
me? I'm trying to call my case manager.
I don't know what's
bro.
in that car. and I don't want you
It's
reaching
nothing in
around.
this car, bro. I'm homeless. What are y'all doing?
Over here.
Bro, this annoying, bro. What are you you still touching me and I'm not
to
touching
the back
you, bro.
of the
This
car.
shit is doing it. Watch out. I'm trying to. Watch out. Please stop touching me. Please stop grabbing me up. This shit is insane. Watch out, bro. I'm trying to call my...
Stay right here. Where are you going? Stand right here.
Stop touching me, bro. I'm trying to call my case manager. Move.
I just put her in.
Like, I'm trying to call my
Put her in
case manager. This shit is blowing around. Put your on. This shit is blowing the out of me, bro.
can't seem to cooperate.
The YWCA. Call the YWCA immediately. I'm not playing with y'all. Call the YWCA. I literally have all my paperwork. Watch out. No,
Why
I'm not
can't you
doing
just
this.
cooperate?
I'm not
This ain't
doing
that
this.
hard.
Bro, this shit is
Stand
annoying.
right here.
I'm sure you've never
Don't
been homeless
move.
before. Don't keep touching me, bro. Don't keep touching me, bro. This shit is annoying.
Let's try this
I already
again.
told you what my name was, bro. This shit is unnecessary.
What's your
This
date
is
of
like,
birth?
no. Bro, what are you doing? Like,
Sarge.
come on, no.
Relax. Why are you slipping this?
Because I need y'all telling me to calm down. Y'all restraining me twice.
I can't. They're locked. I need.
The shit is irritating as bro. Somebody help me. Please help me, bro. I'm homeless.
You're making this a lot worse than it needs to be. Stop.
Because I'm homeless, bitch. Have you been homeless before? You're not going to tell me I'm making this shit a lot worse. Get the here, bro. This shit is irritating, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Stop. Just relax.
Bro, stop putting pressure on me.
Not. Then you need to
are.
relax.
I'm telling you, you're putting pressure on me.
You need to
Bro, I need y'all
relax.
to back up, please.
As the officers repeatedly asked the woman to exit the vehicle, she grew more agitated. She argued that she was homeless, had nowhere to go, and accused the officers of handling her unfairly. She ignored their requests and started reaching around the car, making the officers increasingly concerned for their safety. When the officers attempted to remove her from the vehicle, she physically resisted, leading to a struggle.
Please don't take my car, bro. Please stop touching me, bro, because I'm not trying to spit on you, bro. And I know that's assault, bro. Watch out. Stop touching me, bro. Please stop touching me,
Stay
bro.
right
Move.
here.
Stop touching me.
India.
Stop touching me.
You're done. Go to jail.
Stop
You
touching
are under
me.
arrest. You hear me? You're under arrest.
I don't give a Come on, mama, get the off.
Get a spit hood in there. Get a spit hood out of that glove box.
me that hobble.
Move! I can't breathe, bro.
Your face.
Let go.
I can't breathe.
Nancy, stop spitting on people.
Bro, I can't breathe.
We have an ambulance here.
So send them because I can't breathe.
We're here.
Okay, so get off of me, bro. My arms is bleeding and everything.
Got it. You gotta calm down, and your breathing's gonna get better, I promise. We're gonna help you out. You just gotta be cool.
I can't, bro. I'm in restraints everywhere like this. Please,
Well, you can't be fighting with people, alright?
Because he just lied. He just lied, bro.
If you're cool, we'll all be cool, alright?
Okay, I'm cool, bro.
Alright, I appreciate that. I'm the ambulance, so.
Okay, I just need you to check me out. This
All
shit
right,
is
no
annoying.
problem.
I need to make a phone call.
You're not
No
gonna get out
problem.
right now.
I'm not talking to you. Shut up.
Alright,
I'm
so
not talking to you.
Look, I'm gonna bring my
Fuck
monitor
no,
over
straight
here.
Me and shit. Watch out.
I'll be
This shit
back,
is irritating
okay?
as f- I know y'all can't take me out these cuffs. I'm laying shit.
17.
Stop touching your
Stop
mask.
touching me.
The woman was eventually arrested and charged with several offenses. These included driving with a suspended license, which is illegal under state law, and assaulting a police officer when she spat on them. The law requires that drivers provide identification when asked during a traffic stop, and refusing to do so, as the woman did, is a violation that can lead to arrest. On August 5th, 2022, in Key West, Florida, police officers responded to a call about a reckless driver at a Circle K gas station. When they arrived, they found a woman sitting in a damaged car with flat tires. The officers noticed that the woman smelled like alcohol, and her speech was slow and confused. Despite the obvious damage to the car, the woman claimed that the flat tires were old and that she hadn't been in an accident recently.
Right now.
What's going on?
I'm gonna call you in like 2 seconds, okay? All right, bye, baby.
What happened?
I'm meeting my friend. My freaking tires popped
Okay.
on the right side.
Okay. Can you stand in front of your car for me there?
Okay.
Is it your car or somebody else's?
It's my.
It's your car? Okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming. I live here.
Okay, so where are you coming from though?
I'm coming from Stockton.
Okay. Where's Stock
I
Island?
mean, sorry. I'm coming from Key West.
Okay. Where were you at in Key West?
I was down like Teasers.
Okay, and then you're going to
I'm going home.
going home. Okay. And you had an accident?
No, I had before.
Okay. You said you pointed to this tire. This tire looks okay.
I'm a little.
All right. What about this? What about this side
Yeah,
here?
that side's bad.
Right.
But it was already bad before.
It was what? Oh,
was already
there's
bad.
your tire.
Yeah, that was already bad before.
Oh, it looks
My
fresh.
my tire's completely flat.
Okay.
The officers tried to get basic information from the woman, but she became uncooperative. When they asked for her ID, she refused to hand it over and repeatedly insisted on calling her mother and lawyer instead. The police explained that it wasn't the time for that and that they needed her to identify herself first, but she refused. Instead of answering their questions, she kept talking about unrelated things, making it hard for the officers to understand what happened.
For what exactly?
I don't know, but can you call my mother, please?
I don't really want to call your mother. Like, what am I gonna tell
so
her?
What do you need from me?
Right now we need. Yes, right now we need a driver's license.
I'm pulling on my phone. I'm just calling my mother.
No. Where's your
'Cause I
driver's
need my-
license?
I
at?
know, but I need. I'm gonna get my driver's license. I need my mother here.
Ma'am, you don't need your.
Throughout the conversation, the woman's story about the accident kept changing. At first, she said she hit a curb, but then she mentioned hitting a scooter earlier. Her lack of cooperation and confusing explanations made it difficult for the police to figure out what was true. The officers eventually had no choice but to arrest her for not following their instructions. As they tried to arrest her, she resisted by pulling away and accusing them of breaking the law.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Yo, you gotta call my mother. This shit is
calling
illegal.
nobody.
You hey. Call this.
Okay.
What the is wrong with you?
Too bad.
And you're hurting me. Yo, he's hurting me.
Not. He's putting handcuffs.
Yo.
You're pulling away. Stop.
Ay, Dios mío.
You're gonna get charged with resisting,
You're right.
hit and run,
You're
and you're intoxicated. So 3 charges.
Right.
So you're gonna go to jail for being drunk,
No problem.
driving the car while intoxicated,
Can somebody call my mother?
No, nobody's calling your mother. Hit and run and resisting. 3 things.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest, driving under the influence, DUI, and leaving the scene of an accident with property damage. According to Florida law, she violated Florida Statute 316-193 by driving under the influence of alcohol and Florida Statute 316.061 by leaving the scene of an accident without providing proper information. Despite the charges, the prosecutor later dropped the case after the woman completed a pre-trial diversion program, which allowed her to avoid further legal consequences.
I hope you go to sleep and you sleep good. And you sleep great knowing you. I want to talk to my mother. What the is wrong with ya?
And that's a wrap. 3 Karens, 3 instant doses of karma. When entitlement meets the law, it's always a spectacle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more justice served on us.